Hello, you're welcome to today's class. This is Omlayo Lalikon. Yes, today I'll be teaching you on how to go about this fitted waistband on trousers and on skirts. Let's get started. I already have a well-sewn pant here. You can make use of your skirt also. Don't forget that the front will be lower than that of the back with 1 inch. If you have not done that, do it. That's the center part, the center front. Then you place it on the side. You have the center front and the center back. So now you're going to take the measurement from the center front to the center back. When you place it like that, make sure it's appropriately done and well measured. I have 20 inches. That is the measurement I'm going to make use of. Don't forget, like I said, the front should be shorter than that of the back with 1 inch. If you don't know how to draft the skirt, learn how to do it. Now, we're going to make use of this fabric. As you place it, make sure, like I said, ensure the measurement is accurate. See the fabric we're going to use. You cut it out like this, a straight line. Let it be on 2 folds. Take the measurement, the 20 inches, then you add half an inch to it. That makes it 20.5 inches. From that, this place is the center back, this particular area, and here is the center front. From the center front, you go up by 2 inches because it will be 2 inches band. But remember to add the seam allowance. That makes it 3 inches. And also you measure it at the center back like that, 3 inches. Then you take your ruler, your straight ruler, and you draw a straight line from that end, the 3 inches, you connect them together. Ensure it's a straight line. That's how you're going to go about that. Then go up by 1 inch from that straight line drawn. 1 inch, go up and mark it. Then from this end also go up by 1 inch upward. Also, don't forget to rule the exact measurements, that is to 20.5 inches. Whatever your measurement is, measure it like that. From the center front to the center back, divide it into 2. Whatever you get, you mark it just like this. Mark it at the top and on the straight line. Just divide it into 2. Then you connect them together with a straight ruler, just like this. Can you see it? I hope you're getting it. Then, from that end, this particular end, the center back, you go down to the center, to that center half of the measurement, and you draw a slant line. A slant line. Yes, this is how you go about that. A slant line. Then at this end also, you draw a slant line. Ensure it's properly done. Yes, then you cut. That is the draft. You already have the band. Place your hand on the fabric. Don't lift it up so you don't make mistake. You cut it out. The band is ready. Cut this end too. You cut it. Yes, like this, you get a well-fitted band. All you do is draft another one. Use this one to draft the second one, and you use it as your band. It's going to be well-fitted on you. Can you see? It's already placed there, sewn to the pants. That is it. If your zipper is going to be at the front or at the back, let it be like this. Just remember to add your seam allowance. I hope you enjoyed this class. I'll be expecting you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. A thumb up for us. I hope you are enjoying my class every time. Then add your friends and loved ones. Hope to see you in the next class. This is still your tutor, Omolayo Olalekan, aka Omolayo Fashion. Bye for now.